Hello people off the internet, and today we're going to be checking out the Homvos Wireless Lavalier Microphone. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so I haven't opened this yet. We have two clip-on lavalier mic kind of thing. So I'm using the Rode Wireless Go 2 at the moment. So I'm also using this microphone here that you can probably see. Okay, so we've got that. That's obviously a transmitter with a USB-C. This is the receiver. Now this is iPhone compatible only. So this is the previous version, and this will only work with the iPhone that has this fire port. This fire port here. Okay, so the next versions of the iPhones, I think it's from 13, 14 onwards, they have USB-C, so they're not going to work. So that's basically it. So I've plugged it in, and it's instantly sending a green icon. We unlock the phone. Let's do a screen recording of what's going on. We have the phone. Let's try and do a photograph, and let's check out what the audio is like. Let's get this mounted. Okay, let's get a receiver, a transmitter switched on. So where's the on switch? So the on switch is at the back. There we've got a green light, and the green light on the receiver is solid as well. So let's check out the sound. Now I'm going to put this next to my Rode Go. Just clip it on. And we're going to hit record on video. Okay, let's just film the box. And I'm going to switch out the audio now to this microphone. Let me know what you think. So I'm going to synchronize all of these up. So we'll have my microphone that we've got going on in my mouthpiece. We've got then I'm going to switch to the Go 2. And now we're going to switch to the wireless lavalier microphone that we're reviewing right now. It was literally just plug it in and go. Okay, that concludes that test. Let's switch back to my main microphone, and we turn this off. Okay, and we'll have this play back and let me know what you think. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to have a listen, do some editing, and then I'll give you a view. Okay. So this is audio test number 1. This is just the mobile phone, its own speakers. The things that you can hear in the background, I don't know if you can hear them, but there's an ice machine and the fridge. So that's the only background noise. So next stage, we'll do it with the lavalier mic, and then we'll see if there's an audio difference. And this is audio level test 2. So I've got the microphone on, and I have the device in the receiver where it's normally a charging port. So hopefully the audio quality has drastically improved. Okay, I'm recording off my MacBook camera here, just for convenience. These little things, I mean, this is fantastic. They're a little bit bassy, a little bit, well, sort of, they're not rich in sound, but they're great at noise cancellation. On that second test, you could hear quite clearly, or sorry, should I say, you couldn't hear quite clearly the ice machine and the fridge. So they're really good in that regard. You can amplify, you can mess around with it in different sorts of softwares if you really want to do that. For the price, now there's a link in my description, but for £30 on Amazon, these are great little interview podcast sort of things. There's no software required, no setup required. They talk to each other. This flashes green when it's not paired. These flash green and red when they're not paired, and then they all go solid green when they're paired. For £30, that's what I've paid for them on Amazon. They're fantastic. There's a 30-meter range on them. Really, they're not for long distances or anything else like that. I'm not entirely sure of the technology in there. Let me have a look at the box. They're probably in the instructions, but I'm not that sort of person unless I really have to. Simple, plug and play, 2 mics, plenty of little spare sponges to go over the top. Brilliant bit of kit and a charger, all charged off USB-C. This draws, obviously, its power from your phone. So these are the only things that need charging. They last for up to about 6 hours of working time. I actually really like them. You know, for £30, I've got like £250 worth of Rode Go microphones, and this as well. There's a link in the description. Also, one of the cards if you're interested in this mic as well. It's really buttery smooth, and also a link to the Go 2s. But if you're on a budget and you just want to film some content off your phone, you can definitely win with these. I would highly, highly recommend them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And please like and subscribe. And if you've got any comments, any questions, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you.